Alright guys, that basket came into this car, and when it sat here for a few days, I was like, you're never leaving, and it never has. But I let my seats down. I had this little Nissan Sentra, and I'm grateful because I love a small car, but I want to get some drywall, and I hope it fits. We're gonna make some shake because I'm determined. What's up guys? So we got the stuff from Home Depot, and I'm so grateful because I was like, Lord, can you send, in my mind I'm like, Lord, can you send somebody, because I can't do this alone. But I ended up putting it on the trailer myself, but I'm like, Lord, I cannot get the thing in this trunk. My truck is too small. I underestimated it, and I seen a video, they were like, you had to cut it. I'm like, I don't want to cut it, I don't know how to cut it, like I don't want to mess it up. And I'm like, Lord, can you send me somebody? And lo and behold, he came through like he always do. Not every time on my time, but on his time. Hey, and y'all, I got it. They helped me. I'm so grateful. It was two men, and I'm so grateful. And so they cut it down, and as you can see, it's in my back seat. So I then had to go buy nails. Oh Jesus, oh Jesus! This man is on the bike, and this is a turn. What are you doing, Lord? Pray he be safe. Pray we all be safe. Okay. That's scary, so yeah, pay attention because he could have easily got hit, but it's not safe. I hope you guys can hear me. That's the only thing about driving and filming. Okay, look at this UPS truck. Y'all gonna see him? Look at him. Oh, it's another one. Yeah, he said, not today, you better wait. Okay. All right, so, yeah, okay. So, we are back in business. Let me try to put my headphones in. I lost train of thought. Okay, so now we are on our way home. I have to get everything out of my shed. One time since we did a drive with me video, like if you didn't know, this is what I used to do all the time. Drive with me, drive with me, drive with me. But I had to go back into Home Depot. Let's backtrack, okay? So after I got it in here, I had to go back in there and get the nails and the tape. By now, you would have already seen all of that. So, you know. Maybe. Well, and if you haven't, this jacket is nasty now. Y'all, drywall, I have this lip oil. See how I go thought to thought. Okay, so I have this lip oil with shea butter, olive oil. No. Shea butter, the white shea butter. So it's clean and refined, and it's much more expensive, but it's supposed to be better. Almond oil and avocado oil. just a oil. I wanted to make a lip gloss, but I don't know what's in that lip gloss base, and I really want to make natural products. But it doesn't stay on long, so I don't know. I don't know if I should make more, sell more, but I mean, it's like I said, it's not a gloss, it's an oil, and it does moisturize your lips. And my hands are back ashy from that, because I used the bathroom, wash my hands. I don't have any lotion in here. Okay, so, but back to topic. I really hope, because the thing is about driving, it be so much noise. And when people have a camera and a mic, I feel like you don't really hear the outside as much as you do when you film on the phone. But drywall break, it's like I have a few. Look, I'm gonna show you when I get done talking. Look, should I show you now? I should stop because that's dangerous. Yeah. I'll show you in a second. Maybe when I get home, I'm gonna insert the clip because I'm trying to survive out here and not be a reckless driver. So I'll insert a clip. You will see it. Okay, so you see the drywall? It damaged. This is just from me moving it ever so lightly or ever so slightly, and it already cracked like this. So drywall cracks so easy, and it's like it costs so much money. I pay like $17. That's expensive for a wall to already be cracked. Like, what? So just be really careful. Also, I don't recommend actually ordering your drywall online because a lot of people, well, in particularly from Home Depot, have. I need to turn my heat on. I'm calming down. Cool. A lot of people have had bad, like half of their drywall was broken. And I guess they couldn't use it, I don't know, but it was just like a lot of hassle. So I mean, I would recommend just getting it yourself from the store, but also like it still broke a little bit here. So I mean, I don't know, it's like, why is everything costing so much and like the quality ain't matching the price point? Like, what is you doing, But anyway, guys, so yeah, that's it. In the next video, you guys will see. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know. I'm gonna try to make it the next video again. If that's the case, it's gonna be a while before y'all get another long video. Y'all don't even watch my videos, and that's the thing. Another thing, like YouTube, I was like, I got all these views. I got over 30,000 views right now in 1 month, and you telling me I don't have my 4,000 valid watch hours because YouTube being mean. Like, they're being mean. They don't count shorts views, and that's not fair. It's not fair. I feel like they want to make it harder to get into the club because if you don't have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid watch views, you don't get in, and that ain't right. Like, I want to join the club. I'm great. Give me, like, let me join, So because y'all don't watch these long videos, I only have 20 valid watch views out of 4,000, and at that rate, I want it to take a lifetime. So I wish that they validated shorts because of the shorts. Anyway, the shorts itself, I didn't know that they weren't monetized. They're supposed to get monetized in February. I heard that from another YouTuber I was watching. I don't know. And I'm thinking like everybody who got shorts, they making bank, but they ain't making bank. They finna make bank, but they ain't making it. So that's something else. Like, I don't know. It's annoying. I wish that. Well, I don't understand. I don't personally understand why I have to have I know why they do it. 1,000 family members or subscribers, 4,000 watch valid views. It's because a lot of people are subscribing to YouTube, and probably a high percentage, maybe 80-90% of the people who actually subscribe to YouTube are not getting paid because they can't seem to get over that threshold. So I know why they do it. Save money, be stingy. But I wish that they didn't, because I am really dedicated to it, and they're just making it harder for me to grow. And that sucks. But prayer is key, and I'm gonna keep working hard. So I don't know. I'm gonna try to say the next video will be my shed tour review or whatever. But if not, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Enjoyed this video, whatever my next video is, and just know that I will do the shed video. I don't want to lie and be like, that's my next video, because knowing me, I create all the time. So I don't know, but that video will come when I get the money to do so. I'll say that. That's better. I don't want to lie. So yeah, that's the truth. I'll do the shed video, like the whole transformation, once I can afford to. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope the background noise isn't, or me driving isn't terrible. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace. Look at that truck. Oh. Yep, you was in my video. You didn't even know it. Bye.